One of the most common exercises to strengthen the external rotators of the hip is a leg lift in a tabletop all-fours position. There's also an advanced version that will increase your range of motion and add to the challenge that you're placing on your core to keep your body stabilized. You'll start in the same all-fours position. Instead of lifting your leg directly out to your side, the first thing that you'll do is bring your knee forward to your elbow. Then extend your leg to the side, straighten it back behind you, rotate your hips and leg parallel with the floor before repeating the entire sequence. Just using a larger range of motion, you'll notice more work in your hips. The closer you bring your knee towards your elbow, the more crunch you'll feel in your abdominal wall as well. Once again, use your core to keep your body weighted in between both of your palms. Once you do all of your repetitions on the first side, make sure to reset and repeat everything again on the second side, limiting imbalances.